back to Cruising as Crew. My name is Lucy, and in this video I am actually going to show you like 5 days worth of what I wear. So before I came on this contract, I did do a packing video where I showed you what I packed to come on this contract, but a lot of you are asking to see a few days of what I wear, so that is what this video is going to be. So I hope you enjoy it, and yeah, let's get into it. Morning guys, so it is embarkation day and we have delivery in the shops. So I have got my delivery uniform on, which is this razzle dazzle t-shirt. I have my name badge on and just some gym leggings. Delivery, as you guys know at this point, just involves a lot of heavy lifting, a lot of boxes, so there's no point wearing my uniform that needs to be smart for this. So yeah, this is the delivery uniform because it doesn't matter if we get it messed up. I finished delivery, had lunch, and I've just come back and had a shower, and now I'm just gonna lounge around in my cabin. So I'm wearing my slippers and this very comfortable caftan. So this is what I'm gonna wear to just chill in basically, and then I have work later on. So now I am going to start work. We're going to open the shop. So I've got my uniform on. So my uniform on here is just this t-shirt, black jeans and black Skechers. Morning guys, so today I have a day off, so I'm going to start it by going to the gym. So I've got my gym leggings on and this gym top and my hat because this is what I wear at the gym. I must say, I mean, if you haven't already gathered by now, I live in gym leggings. Whether I'm doing delivery, whether I'm actually going to the gym, or whether I'm just like going to the mess for a cup of coffee. If I'm not in uniform, I am in gym leggings. And on my last contract, I was in like normal black leggings. So like leggings is kind of the way forward. And I've got Able leggings and they are fantastic. I wear them like every day and they're fine. They're still intact, they're doing great. So definitely would recommend if you want some gym leggings. So I've just got back from the gym, showered and got changed. I put another pair of gym leggings on. Told you I live in gym leggings. And I've just put a tie-dye t-shirt on. I'm gonna go and have some lunch in the mess, and then I'm going to go and read my book on Open Deck. So yeah, I was trainers, t-shirt and gym leggings for my day off, and this is probably what I'm going to wear all day. So this evening guys, I am going out for dinner, and then all of the shop staff are meeting at the crew bar, and someone suggested that we have a theme of like a sexy black outfit or just black. Basically you've got to wear black. So I've still got my work jeans on, and then I've just got like a black bralette and a black blazer, and yeah, this is me ready for tonight. I'll do the blazer up. Yeah, something I would recommend bringing is a black blazer. It just smartens up any outfit. Like if you're wearing a really lovely dress and you don't necessarily want to put like a cardigan over the top, it's good to have a black blazer just to put over the top if you're on like Open Deck or something. So definitely get yourself a nice black blazer. And then yeah, on nights like tonight where you want to look smart because you're going into passenger areas to have dinner, yeah, it's just good to have. So this is my outfit for tonight. Morning! So today I am going into work, but we are like doing stockroom stuff, so moving boxes, all of that. So whenever we are doing stuff like that, we're going to wear this uniform. It's the same as our delivery uniform. On other ships you would just wear like your own clothes, but on here we've been given a uniform to wear. But like when I was on P&O, if we were doing stuff like this, I would just wear like a black t-shirt, or you normally have to wear black, but yeah, so this is what I'm wearing for work this morning. So I've just finished delivery and now I'm going to go to the gym. So this is what I'm wearing to the gym. When I'm filming these videos, I don't know, I'm not sure how this video is going to turn out. It might be incredibly boring, but anyway, you guys wanted to see what I wear in a week, so this is it. So black vest, gym leggings once again, and my trainers. So these black Skechers are what I wear like 100% of the time. If I'm not wearing my work shoes, I'm wearing these unless I'm going out of an evening. So yeah, you need some black trainers if you are going on board a ship. Time for work again, so yeah, this is the uniform. I've gone for the short sleeve today because it's just a hot day. Black jeans and name badge. Ready for work. I've just finished work. I'm not going to go to the crew bar. It's 11 o'clock, but I'm not ready to go to bed, so I'm going to go to the mess with a few mates and have a cup of tea. So I've still got my work jeans on, but I've just changed my top, and yeah, I'm going to go and have a cup of tea and then come back, have a shower and go to bed. I have been a bit of an idiot. So last night we were all supposed to put our clocks back 1 hour, but I forgot. So instead of waking up at 8:30, I just realised that I woke up at 7:30 and it is now 8 o'clock. But on the bright side, I have a lot of free time, so I'm going to go and have a coffee in the mess. And to do that, I've put on a very, very cosy jumper. That is, it's awful. I've had it for years, but I love it. And you guessed it, gym leggings and my black trainers. Another very exciting outfit: black vest top, black gym leggings and my black trainers to go to the gym. Yeah. Maybe I'll make it a bit more interesting and add my hat. Oh, there we go. That's a bit more interesting, isn't it? But this is the other thing. So I put a hat on because I'm like, that looks cool. Everyone looks cool in a hat. But I get to the gym and I take it off because it gets too hot with it on. Okie dokie. So I have just finished at the gym. It is a glorious day outside, so I am going to go and sit in the sun and read my book because we have some time off. So I have got like this really casual, easy to wear summer dress. It is a bit breezy, which is why I'm going to go for the long sleeve option, and then I'm just going to wear my Nike trainers because they're just easy to wear and they're orange, so it goes. Ready for work once again. So t-shirt, badge, jeans, shoes, makeup is done. Good morning everyone, I hope you are all well. So today I've got the morning off, which is great. So I'm going to do my laundry and then I'm going to go to the gym and do some yoga in this very relaxing shade of orange. No, but I love this orange t-shirt. So once again, an orange t-shirt, gym leggings and black trainers. It's, I mean, at this point, if you're still watching, like, well done. So I've just got back from doing yoga in my orange t-shirt, showered and got changed. I've just had some lunch and now I am gonna just like chill in my cabin and do some editing and do some bits like that. So I have a hoodie on, gym leggings and my slippers. So you know what, I'm actually very, very happy I bought my slippers. Don't usually take slippers on board ships with me, but you know, this time around I was like, maybe I'll take them, just because I knew that we wouldn't be able to get off the ship for a substantial amount of time, so I just equated that to spending more time in my cabin. So I thought I would need slippers, and it was actually a really good decision. I think I have definitely spent more time in my cabin this time around, because obviously time like this where I have it off, if we were docked I would go out and port, but we're not allowed. So yeah, slippers was a very good shout. Okie dokie, so we are opening these shops this evening, so time for me to go to work. Going with the short sleeve again today. Just finished work and now everyone is off to crew bar, so I have put on one of my favourite dresses actually. It's from H&M. It's just this flowy white and red dress, but it has like a tie waist on it. It's just really easy to wear, so I'm just going to wear this with my Nike trainers and go to crew bar. So it's not like really casual, not really dressy. I don't think anyone else is getting dressed up, but it's like the end of the cruise, so it's embarkation day tomorrow, which means that there's a few people who are going to finish their contract and disembark tomorrow. And because it's people's last night, or because it's some people's last night, they tend to get dressed up. So if you're going to get dressed up for any night in crew bar and it's not like a theme, then the last night is the night, if that makes sense. So not dressed up because no one I know is leaving, but I also don't want to look like a gremlin, so this is what we're going with. Okay guys, so that is the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then please press a like and subscribe, and if you have any video suggestions or questions, you can leave them in the comments down below, or you can DM me over on Instagram at Cruising as Crew. But thank you once again for watching. I hope you have a fantastic evening, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Bye.